Spoon the filling. A simple phrase with practical use. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English cooking contexts. Spoon the filling. This phrase is not just about cooking but also a great example of how English uses verbs and nouns flexibly. Let's dive in and understand every aspect of this phrase. Spoon the filling might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning. The word spoon is used here as a verb, meaning to lift or move something with a spoon. The word filling refers to any substance used to fill something else, often found in cooking like stuffing for a turkey or filling for a pie. When combined, the phrase spoon the filling instructs someone to use a spoon to put the filling into something else. This phrase is a great example of how English uses nouns as verbs. Spoon is usually a noun, an eating or cooking utensil. However, in this context, it becomes a verb that describes the action done with it. This flexibility is common in English and something learners should be aware of. The structure of the phrase follows the verb plus object pattern, a fundamental construction in English grammar. In practical terms, spoon the filling is often heard in cooking scenarios. For example, when making a pie, you might hear a chef say, "Now, spoon the filling into the crust." It's a simple, direct instruction that's easy to follow. Recognizing phrases like this in everyday contexts helps with both understanding and speaking English more fluently. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of spoon the filling. It's a small phrase but a great example of the flexibility and practicality of English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be understanding these phrases like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.